8 Effective hair masks to treat hair loss. Hair fall is a huge concern for many women across the globe, and if you are one of them, you should know that there are many treatments that can help you deal with this issue. The only problem is that not everyone has enough time to visit the salon to get one of these treatments. With your busy schedule, taking time out to get your hair treated can be a hassle. However, there are various options. An efficient and smart way to prevent and stop hair loss permanently is to try out some homemade hair masks. We have put together a list of natural treatments that you can try out with ingredients from your kitchen. Take a look. Effective hair masks for hair loss treatment. 1. Rosemary hair mask. 2. Green tea hair mask. 3. Vitamin E capsules hair pack. 4. Cinnamon mask. 5. Lemon, cream, and wheat germ oil hair mask. 6. Hair mask for dry hair. 7. Hair mask for normal hair. 8. Hair mask for oily hair. 1. Rosemary hair mask. If you are looking for the best hair mask for hair growth, here it is. Rosemary extract promoted hair growth in mice studies. It has antioxidant properties that fight free radicals and promote hair health. How to make a rosemary hair mask. Ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons of well-chopped rosemary. 1 cup of water. Procedure: boil chopped rosemary in a cup of water for a few minutes. Strain the liquid and let it cool. After it has cooled, massage the liquid into your scalp. Let it stay for 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Benefits of rosemary hair mask: encourages hair regrowth, strengthens the follicles, fights off free radicals. 2. Green tea hair mask. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and contains EGCG, EPIGALLOCATECHIN3 gallate that can stimulate hair growth. How to make a green tea hair mask for hair loss. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk. 2 tablespoons of green tea. Procedure: mix the ingredients until the mixture acquires a creamy texture. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp using an applying brush. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water before shampooing. Benefits of green tea hair mask: proteins nourish the hair and scalp. Reduces hair loss. Antioxidants fight off free radicals. 3. Vitamin E capsules hair pack. Vitamin E oil is also rich in antioxidants, which helps in anti-aging and reduces oxidative stress that causes hair loss. Vitamin E contains tocopherol, which was shown to induce hair growth. It has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that encourage healthy scalp health and reduce hair fall. This mask can be used thrice a week. How to make vitamin E capsules hair mask. Ingredients: 2 vitamin E capsules. 1 tablespoon of almond oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of castor oil. A few drops of lavender essential oil. Procedure: combine all the ingredients. You can use bigger proportions and store the mix in a jar. Apply the oil blend all over your hair. Let it stay overnight and wash it off with shampoo and cold water the next morning. Benefits of vitamin E hair pack: antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties keep the scalp healthy. Antioxidants battle free radicals. Strengthens roots. Reduces hair fall. 4. Cinnamon moss. If you are looking for a natural hair lightener, this cinnamon hair mask is an amazing choice. A rat study showed that cinnamon oil could increase hair length and diameter as effectively as minoxidil. However, more studies are needed on humans to establish its effectiveness. You will see a difference in your hair color after using this mask 4 to 5 times. How to make a cinnamon hair mask at home. Ingredients: honey, cinnamon, hair balsam. Procedure: mix the raw honey and cinnamon by eyeballing the quantities, depending on the length and thickness of your hair. Add the hair balsam to the mixture. Apply the mixture to damp hair, one section at a time, with an applying brush. Do not apply this mixture to your scalp. Keep it from getting on your face. It is easier to use your hands for application, but this is messy. Put your hair up in a bun and cover it with a plastic bag until it dries. Rinse multiple times with water until the cinnamon gets out of your hair. Finish with shampoo and conditioner. Benefits of cinnamon hair mask. Improves blood circulation. Antifungal and antibacterial properties keep the hair and scalp healthy and free from infection. Please like and subscribe. 5. Lemon, cream, and wheat germ oil hair mask. Lemon is perfect for cleansing your follicles and hair and getting rid of dirt and product buildup. Sour cream works like yogurt, as a hair conditioner. Wheat germ has a high content of linoleic acid and is hence used as an ingredient in shampoos. It can help restore dry, damaged hair and improve strength and shine. How to make a lemon hair mask at home. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of wheat germ oil. Procedure: extract the juice from the lemons and mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Apply the mixture from the roots to the tips of your hair and leave it on for half an hour. Rinse it off with lukewarm water followed by shampoo and conditioner. Benefits of lemon, cream and wheat germ oil hair mask. Unclogs pores. Removes product and dirt buildup. Strengthens roots. Hair masks for different hair types. 6. Hair mask for dry hair. Research shows that honey can reduce severe dandruff and chronic seborrheic dermatitis. Almonds can help prevent split ends and reduce hair damage and hair loss. This mask can help reduce dandruff and scalp acne. How to make a hair mask for dry hair. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of almond paste, 4 skinned almonds blended with 1/2 tablespoon rosewater, 2 tablespoons of cream. Procedure: mix the honey and almond paste in a mixing bowl. Beat the cream until it is slightly fluffy and then add it to the honey-almond mixture. Apply the mask to your hair, from the roots to the tips. Keep it on for at least 30 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly with cold water. Finish with a mild shampoo and let your hair air dry. Note, you can substitute the cream with yogurt, although the results will slightly vary. Benefits of this homemade hair mask for dry hair. Moisturizes hair. Soothes the scalp. Encourages healthy hair growth. 7. Hair mask for normal hair. This is possibly one of the easiest masks to make, and it lasts for up to a week if stored in the refrigerator. The lemon juice cleanses the scalp. The almond oil and honey moisturize the scalp and reduce dandruff. This mask aims to replenish the lost nutrition and health of the hair. It also restores its softness and luster. How to make a hair mask for normal hair. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 4 tablespoons of flat beer. Procedure: separate the yolk from the white and mix it with the other ingredients. Apply this mixture to your scalp. Add 4 tablespoons of flat beer to the white of the egg. Beat it until fluffy. Apply this mixture all over your hair from the roots to the tips. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let the mixture sit in your hair for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash it off using a good shampoo and let your hair air dry. Benefits of this homemade hair mask for normal hair. Makes hair silky and voluminous. Adds shine. Nourishes hair. Improves the health of the scalp. 8. Hair mask for oily hair. A lot of people are afraid to use a hair mask for oily hair because they fear that it might become oilier. The idea behind a mask for oily hair is to find one that controls and reduces the secretion of oil and yet does not take away nutrition from your hair. This hair mask is specially made for oily hair. How to make a hair mask for oily hair. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of water, 1 large pinch of fruit salt, the paste of 2 amlas, 1 egg white. Procedure: beat the egg white until it is fluffy and add the other ingredients to it. Apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off to make sure there's no residue. Use a good shampoo to clean your hair thoroughly and let it air dry. Benefits of this homemade hair mask for oily hair. Removes grease. Adds volume to the hair. Unclogs pores and reduces hair fall. Please like and subscribe.